Meet Ellen Parker, a 59-year-old retired accountant living in Minnesota. Ellen spends her days tending to her garden, experimenting with new recipes in the kitchen, and taking peaceful evening walks with her husband. After years of dedicated work, she now finds joy in the simple pleasures of daily life. Her love for gardening keeps her active and connected to nature, while cooking allows her to explore creativity and share delicious meals with family. These routines help Ellen maintain a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle in retirement. On a warm summer afternoon, Ellen became aware of an unusual discomfort. She looked down and saw that her ankles were noticeably swollen, making it difficult to fit into her shoes. This unexpected change sparked a sense of worry as she wondered what could be causing the swelling. Ellen had never experienced this before, and the sudden onset made her pause and consider her health. The situation marked the beginning of her search for answers and potential solutions. Initially, she believed the swelling in her legs was simply a result of the summer heat and spending extended periods standing in the kitchen. However, as the days went by, the discomfort did not subside. Instead, the swelling became more pronounced, and her pain intensified. This persistent change began to raise concerns, prompting her to reconsider the cause. The symptoms were no longer just a minor inconvenience, but something that affected her daily routine. She started to wonder if there might be an underlying health issue that needed attention. Ellen noticed her energy waning as days passed, with simple tasks leaving her unusually tired. At night, she found it hard to catch her breath whenever she lay down, a sensation that grew more troubling over time. The discomfort made restful sleep elusive, and she often woke feeling anxious and short of breath. These symptoms marked a significant change from her usual health, prompting concern about what might be causing her distress. Concerned about her recent symptoms, Ellen decided to visit her doctor for answers. During the appointment, the physician carefully reviewed her condition and discussed the possible causes of her discomfort. After examining Ellen and considering her medical history, the doctor explained that her symptoms were consistent with heart failure. This diagnosis helped Ellen understand why she had been feeling unwell and provided a starting point for treatment and management. The doctor emphasized the importance of early intervention and outlined the next steps to support Ellen's health. Ellen was taken aback when she received her diagnosis. She had always associated heart problems with chest pain, but learned that heart failure can present in less obvious ways. Symptoms like persistent fatigue and swelling in the legs or feet are common indicators. These signs often go unnoticed or are mistaken for normal aging. Ellen realized the importance of understanding the diverse symptoms of heart failure. Early recognition can make a significant difference in managing the condition and improving quality of life. Recognizing early symptoms is a crucial step in maintaining good health. By paying attention to subtle changes in our bodies, we can address potential issues before they become serious. Seeking timely medical advice ensures that any concerns are evaluated by professionals, leading to better outcomes. This proactive approach not only supports physical well-being, but also fosters a sense of empowerment and inspiration. Living healthy is about making informed choices and staying motivated to care for ourselves. Early understanding and action can truly make a difference in our overall quality of life. Heart failure is often misunderstood. Contrary to what the name might suggest, it does not mean that the heart has stopped working entirely. Instead, heart failure refers to a condition in which the heart becomes weakened over time and loses its ability to pump blood as efficiently as it should. This gradual decline can affect the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the body's organs and tissues. As a result, people with heart failure may experience symptoms like fatigue, shortness of breath, and swelling in the legs or abdomen. Understanding this distinction is important for recognizing the signs and implications of heart failure. A weakening heart often communicates its distress through subtle signals that can be easily overlooked. These warning signs may include persistent fatigue, mild shortness of breath, or occasional dizziness. Many people attribute such symptoms to the natural aging process or the effects of daily stress, rather than recognizing them as potential indicators of heart trouble. The gradual onset of these changes means they can blend into the background of everyday life. As a result, early signs of heart dysfunction frequently go unnoticed until more serious issues arise. Understanding these subtle cues is essential for timely intervention and improved heart health. Persistent fatigue can often be a silent warning sign that something is amiss within the body. When blood flow is reduced, muscles do not receive the oxygen they need to function efficiently. This lack of oxygen prevents muscles from performing at their best, leading to a constant feeling of tiredness. Over time, ongoing fatigue may interfere with daily activities and overall well-being. Unlike temporary tiredness from exertion, this type of fatigue does not improve with rest. Recognizing persistent fatigue as a potential indicator of underlying issues is important for early intervention and maintaining health. Shortness of breath can occur when the heart is unable to pump blood efficiently, causing fluid to accumulate in the lungs. This buildup makes it difficult for oxygen to move from the lungs into the bloodstream, leading to feelings of breathlessness. The symptom often worsens when lying flat, as gravity allows more fluid to settle in the lungs. Physical exertion can also trigger shortness of breath, since the body's demand for oxygen increases. These signs may indicate that the heart is struggling and should not be ignored. Swelling in the legs, ankles, or abdomen often occurs when blood movement slows and fluid begins to accumulate in the body's tissues. This type of swelling, known as edema, is distinct from weight gain caused by an increase in body fat. Unlike fat, which builds up gradually, fluid retention can cause noticeable puffiness and discomfort in affected areas. The skin may appear stretched or shiny, and pressing on the swollen area might leave a temporary indentation. Recognizing the difference between fluid-related swelling and fat gain is important, as edema can signal underlying health issues that require medical attention. Monitoring changes in your body and seeking advice when swelling persists can help ensure proper care. A sudden increase in weight over just a few days can be an important early warning sign. This rapid change is often due to water retention rather than fat accumulation. When the heart struggles to pump effectively, fluid can build up in the body, leading to noticeable swelling and weight gain. Such changes may be subtle at first, but they indicate that the heart is not keeping up with the body's demands. Recognizing this pattern early can be crucial for timely intervention and management of underlying heart conditions. Experiencing a persistent cough at night and finding it hard to sleep while lying flat can be concerning. Some people notice they need to prop themselves up with extra pillows just to breathe comfortably. This symptom, known as orthopnea, may indicate that the heart is struggling to manage fluid in the lungs. When the heart is overloaded, lying flat can worsen shortness of breath and trigger coughing. These signs are often associated with heart failure, where fluid backs up into the lungs due to reduced pumping efficiency. Recognizing these symptoms early is important, as they may signal a need for medical attention and further evaluation. Recognizing subtle symptoms early can make a critical difference in health outcomes. Often, these warning signs are easy to overlook or dismiss, but timely awareness allows for prompt intervention and treatment. By paying attention to even minor changes in the body, individuals can seek medical advice before conditions become severe. Early detection not only improves the chances of recovery, but can also prevent complications. Ultimately, being vigilant and informed about these symptoms is a simple yet powerful way to protect your well-being and potentially save lives. The heart is an extraordinary organ, known for its resilience and capacity to heal. When challenges arise, early detection plays a crucial role in supporting its recovery. Timely intervention can make a significant difference, allowing the heart to regain strength and function. By understanding the signs and risks early, individuals can take proactive steps to maintain their health. This approach not only enhances recovery, but also inspires confidence in living a healthier life. Recognizing the importance of early care empowers us to protect and nurture our heart's well-being. Elevating your legs while resting is a simple yet effective way to support healthy circulation. By raising your legs, you help blood flow more easily back to the heart, which can reduce pressure on your veins and lower the risk of swelling. This practice is especially beneficial for those who spend long periods sitting or standing. It can also aid in recovery after physical activity or injury. Incorporating leg elevation into your daily routine may contribute to overall cardiovascular health and comfort. Choosing low-salt meals is an important step in managing sodium intake. Excess sodium can lead to fluid retention, which places additional strain on the heart and circulatory system. By selecting foods that are naturally low in salt or prepared without added sodium, you help reduce this risk. This dietary adjustment supports heart health and can make it easier for your body to maintain a proper fluid balance. Over time, Consistently minimizing sodium intake may contribute to improved overall well-being and reduced complications related to heart function. Maintaining gentle activity is essential for supporting heart health. Simple actions like walking, stretching, and practicing deep breathing can help keep your cardiovascular system functioning optimally. These activities promote circulation and flexibility without placing undue stress on the body. By choosing low-impact movements, you reduce the risk of overexertion while still benefiting from regular physical engagement. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can make a meaningful difference in your overall well-being. Monitoring your weight and blood pressure every day is a simple yet powerful way to stay informed about your health. These measurements can often indicate changes in your body before any noticeable symptoms develop. By keeping track of these numbers, you can detect early warning signs and address potential issues promptly. Consistent monitoring helps you understand your baseline and recognize any unusual fluctuations. This proactive approach supports better decision-making and can contribute to long-term well-being. Heart failure should be viewed not as a final outcome, but as an important signal to prioritize self-care. Recognizing the early signs and responding promptly can make a significant difference in overall health and longevity. By taking proactive steps, individuals have the opportunity to improve their quality of life and maintain hope for the future. Early attention to symptoms and lifestyle changes can help manage the condition effectively. This approach encourages a more positive outlook, emphasizing that with the right care, living well is possible. Doctors are essential partners in helping patients achieve and maintain heart health. Through clear explanations and compassionate guidance, they empower individuals to understand their condition and make informed decisions. By educating patients about heart anatomy, risk factors, and lifestyle changes, physicians foster confidence and encourage proactive steps toward recovery. Their ongoing support not only aids in physical healing, but also promotes long-term well-being. With expert advice and personalized care, doctors help patients navigate the journey to a healthier heart. Empowering patients to take charge of their heart health is at the core of our mission. By providing the tools and knowledge needed for early understanding, individuals can make informed choices that support long-term wellness. Staying inspired is essential, as motivation fuels positive habits and ongoing commitment. When patients embrace proactive care, they experience greater energy and a sense of peace in their daily lives. Through education and encouragement, we help people build confidence in managing their heart health, fostering a future where living well is possible for everyone.